To enter into the fast boot mode, first you need to turn off your device. Then after turning it off, you would have to press the power button here and the volume down button here simultaneously, like this. After pressing it simultaneously for a few seconds, leave it. This is the fast boot mode that you need to be in. Then what you need to do is take your USB cable, stick it in, and connect your device to your PC, just like this. Okay, we are done. Okay, so first we'll be connecting our device with the computer. The device is in fast boot mode, connected to the computer. Then we'll be typing down sudo fastboot devices to check whether our device is connected to the PC or not. Yes, it is connected. Then again we'll be typing down the command sudo fastboot flash recovery name.img, that is otis-recovery.img, and press enter to install the recovery onto our device. Pressing enter, the recovery is installed successfully. It took somewhat around 0.6 seconds. So now, okay, so we need to get into recovery. We need to launch recovery. So to do that, we'll be clicking down the volume down button to navigate to the second option, recovery, then the volume up button to selecting it. Again the warning dialog box will open up. Okay, now you are in CyanogenMod recovery. First we'll be wiping data and factory reset our device. Yes, to delete all the data. It will be done in a while. Then now we will be applying an update. Apply update, select apply update. Then our CyanogenMod zip is stored in SD card, so we will be selecting SD card. Then this is the first file, CM 12.1 and etc long file. We'll be selecting this first zip file, that is CyanogenMod file, to be installed onto our device. The installation started. You need to be patient here. It will take a while to install, means it takes a lot of time to install, somewhat around 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be skipping this video a little. Okay, it is about to finish. Okay, CyanogenMod 12.1 installed successfully. Now what we are gonna do is we'll be installing Google Apps onto CyanogenMod, which is also stored in SD card. The second zip, open GApps. So we'll be selecting it. It is being installed now. Oops, there appears to be some failure. Okay, so the Google Apps are not installed successfully. We'll be rebooting our system into CyanogenMod from recovery itself. I repeat, the Google Apps are not installed successfully. Without those apps, you won't be able to install, means use Play Store and all that. So we'll be selecting language. We are not connected. We'll skip it just to see what our ROM does. Skip anyways. SIM card missing. Okay, it's fine. Skip. Again, next. Next. I'll be setting it later. Okay, start CyanogenMod. Alright, it seems that the operating system is installed successfully. It's smooth, looks good, feels good. Let's see which apps are there by default. So as you can see, due to failure of Google Apps installation, we don't have Play Store and such apps.